What's going on, YouTube? I am back. I had to give you guys a better review of this product. Those are my first impressions in yesterday's video. So I figured I would talk about it a little bit more and go into a little bit of depth. So after my first experience with it, I ended up going to a yoga class, and I genuinely felt like I was also on an empty stomach. So I felt pretty good about it. I thought it did a really good job for topicals for edibles, and I enjoyed it. I ended up taking 2 servings actually, so I ended up taking 4 total gummies, and that kind of gave me a little kick. I felt a little kind of little chill vibes, but aside from that, it was pretty good. And also, this is not turmeric and spirulina flavored, it's agave berry flavored. That's why it actually tastes so good. So it comes with turmeric and spirulina, which in my opinion is even better of a bet because, turmeric has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, and spirulina, I haven't done the research on that yet. But for $49.99, you can get this bad boy. Use my code CBDAR10 for 10% off. This product, which if I do my math right, should come down to $50. No, $45. I'm an idiot. $45, I think, right? 5, 10. Yeah. 45-ish bucks plus tax. And then it's free shipping. So CBD AR10, solid agave berry. These are the OGs of CBDfx, CBD gummies. Definitely would recommend. Again, broad spectrum. CBDfx hemp gummies, the agave flavor. They're green, earthy, they taste good. They're not too chewy. They don't stay stuck on your teeth like the gas station gummy bears that I always rave about. I still will go buy those, shamelessly. But again, guys, this is the CBDfx hemp gummy bears 300 milligrams review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoy this product, and quite frankly, I took some today. I'm going to take some more before I go out on the town. Just kidding. I'm literally going to school. All right. Peace out, guys. Deuces.